They said no. So this is it. Last shot, last day. We'll see what we got. I'm driving right now to the highest location I could get permission to jump off of. So 100% legal. My other locations first had got ex-nayed by Matt saying that I couldn't jump off a bridge. And then I was gonna try and do a parking garage. I was finding security problems there as well. So this seems like the best spot. This is a tall 2-story building. I was gonna jump off the roof of our shop, which is like 18 feet. This one's taller though. So if the parachute works at all, this should be my best bet. I'm a few minutes away now. We'll roll up and get this done.
Kind of went down a little sideways, but that's all I needed.
All right, so we're done. I looked at the video. The run-up was really short. There's just a lot of stuff on the roof of RC Country, so you didn't get a lot of run-up. And then I just biffed the ramp and went off to the side. I was too focused on the stupid button. Anyway, I think that we're still good though. I think that amount of time will still work unless Matt really found something to step up where he was gonna try. Thanks again to RC Country for letting me jump off their roof. I messaged them this morning. This one worked out well though. I think that the building height was the minimum I needed. I was gonna try and jump off our shop, but based on the video, the parachute didn't open until right at the end. Now maybe I could have got more run up at our shop and really got some more air into it. So maybe it would have worked out. Either way, one shot, one chance, that's all I used. The car still ran afterwards, so it's gonna stick. I'm hoping that I got in that 240 frames range so that I've got a decent number, but fingers crossed. We'll see how it goes. This was a hell of a challenge. Matt and I learned our lesson. Try and not make the rules so strict next time and have a lot of fun. But either way, these are just about having fun. Matt and I have enough serious projects that, you know, we're all working on all the time. This one, more fun, you know, that's just the point of them. So this was a good one. I'm glad we did it because we learned a lot on what not to do on the next one. And there will definitely be a next one. The next one we've already got a pretty good idea for, and we're really looking forward to it. We'll see how it goes, and we'll see how quickly we can get it going. Thanks for watching, guys, the whole series. Stuck with my failure after failure. 10 videos of failure is a lot of failure. So thanks a bunch. Hit the like button if you enjoyed them. Subscribe if you're not already. Notification bells, all that good stuff. Go Team USA, and we'll see you guys on the next one.